Hello, green thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to destination for creating the beautiful outdoor space of your dreams without the endless hard work. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Let's be honest, we all want a lush, vibrant garden that turns heads, but nobody wants to spend every single weekend pulling weeds, trimming overgrown shrubs, or stressing over delicate flowers that wilt the moment you look away. Your garden should be a place where you come to relax, not a never-ending chore list. In today's video, we are diving into the ultimate low-maintenance garden border plant ideas that will give you crisp, colorful, and flawless edges all year round with minimal effort. An outdoor living area or an intentionally designed garden border serves as the frame for your entire yard, anchoring your landscape and adding massive curb appeal. When we talk about low-maintenance border plants, we mean hardy, resilient varieties, typically slow-growing perennials, ornamental grasses, or drought-tolerant shrubs that establish strong root systems and naturally resist pests, disease, and harsh weather. Choosing low-maintenance plants for your garden borders is a game-changer for several reasons. First, it saves you an incredible amount of time and physical labor, allowing you to actually enjoy your outdoor living area rather than constantly working in it. Second, these plants are highly cost-effective. Because they are tough and adapted to thrive on neglect, you won't be wasting money replacing dead flowers season after season. Finally, they create a sustainable, eco-friendly ecosystem that requires less water and fewer chemical fertilizers, giving you a naturally beautiful yard that looks pristine month after month. When you're looking for low-maintenance garden border plants ideas, consider the color, texture, bloom time, and placement of your plants. Your choices will also depend on whether the border is close to a path, walkway, or driveway, or if it's tucked in the backyard around a garden spot. Watch on to learn about low-maintenance garden border ideas that will fit your climate and growing zones, the size and shape of your yard, and your unique garden style. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of low-maintenance garden border plants ideas to spark your creativity. One, use color block design. Large blocks of color can be a very striking and easily implemented strategy for the garden border. This simple mix of ajaga and anemones offers a rich burst of violet blue in this flower bed, right at the border for maximum impact. Also try forget-me-nots, which bloom profusely in pale blue in spring. Deadhead them to keep them from receding too much, but new plants are easy to pull up. 2. Showcase spring bulbs. Designing with spring bulbs offers lots of flexibility for 3 seasons of blooms and beauty. They're great for the front of the border for a showy garden in early spring, like this one with multiple beds showcasing tulips and daffodils at the edge of their borders. Once your bulbs begin to die back in April, and May, there's room for additional perennials to pop up and fill in. Good choices to plant near bulbs include plants with small root areas and foliage that sit up off the ground, like hostas, daylilies, asters, and ferns. 3. Bring colorful foliage forward. Plants with colorful foliage are a great way to have low-maintenance color at the front of the border. Artemisias provide silvery tones, heucheras provide a wonderful range of colors, euphorbias come in a range of colors and textures, and lower-growing sedums also have a range of foliage colors in blues, greens, grays, and purples. Here we see silver tansy and euphorbia mercenites melding their striking colors of blue-gray and chartreuse together. Annuals with colorful foliage include coleus and caladiums. 4. Add a shade border. The shade garden need not be barren of color. The border of this circular shade garden catches the eye with vivid clumps of burgundy heuchera, variegated euonymus, and airy light green ferns. 5. Implement Mediterranean style. In the temperate climate of southern Europe, Herbs have the perfect growing environment. If you have sandy, loamy soil, plentiful sun, and a growing zone on the warmer side, consider some fragrant culinary herbs for your border. Oregano, thyme, rosemary, savory, tarragon, lavender, and many other useful herbs grow as perennials in the right conditions. These lavender gardens in Spain create a perfumed paradise for visitors, with the huge plants overflowing into the walkways. 6. Play with height. Usually one sees shorter plants at the front of the border, but tall ones can work too. The key is to choose plants with a small crown and a light airy form, allowing for a view of the plants behind them. This might include agapanthus, alliums, camassia, fairy lilies, heucheras, flax, ancusa or dropmore, delphiniums, rose campion, anemones, and globe thistles. Annual cosmos are also tall flowers with feathery stems and delicate blooms. 7. Add low hedges. This lush garden in Sweden has paths connecting one area to another. The borders along this path have short, chunky boxwood hedges clipped to stay square and neat. The angular shape complements the round and organic shapes found throughout the garden. 8. Plant perennial mums. Keep the show going with perennials that flower late in the season. Perennial mums are a reliable source of vivid color. Order them from a reliable nursery in the spring for blooms in the fall, and the plants will increase in size each year. The striking contrast of these yellow zinnias and purple mums is a showstopper for the autumn border. 9. Choose drought-tolerant border plants. If you're in a dry or desert climate, or simply want a more drought-tolerant border, there's a large variety to choose from. Euphorbias and succulents like creeping sedums or hens and chicks are an easy way to have a lush, low-maintenance border. These plants spread quickly but not aggressively, and there are many flowering varieties. In this California garden, drought-tolerant plants including yarrow, euphorbia, and nepeta or flowering catmint are a perfect choice for times of inconsistent rainfall. 10. Incorporate creeping plants for an organic look. Creeping plants like euphorbia, low-spreading sedums, dianthus, especially spreading varieties like firewitch, threadleaf coreopsis, or short asters like woods blue, can spill over the border edge in a fetching way, creating an organic-looking design. Keep blooming perennials looking neat by deadheading, which also encourages more blooms. This dianthus will put out a second or even third round of blooms after spent flowers are trimmed off. 11. Use uplifting miniatures. Many perennials have low-growing dwarf or miniature versions, including irises, columbines, asters, daylilies, sedums, and even roses. Choosing these shorter plants allows for more possibilities for 3 seasons of blooming perennials at the front of the border. 12. Create a green border. This shady border features a variety of plants with vibrant green foliage, showcasing beautiful shapes and textures, including variegated irises, heuchera, hosta, and pulmonaria. Note the color variations include not just shades of green but stripes, spots, edges, and centers. These plants also produce colorful flowers. Creating a breathtaking garden doesn't mean you have to sacrifice your free time. By choosing the right hardworking, low-maintenance border plants, you can easily establish a structured, colorful, and dynamic landscape that practically takes care of itself. Whether you prefer the modern, clean look of architectural ornamental grasses or the soft, welcoming charm of hardy flowering perennials, there is a perfect low-effort option out there for your yard. It's all about working smarter, not harder, so you can spend your days sitting back and enjoying the view. If you're ready to stop overworking yourself and start enjoying a beautiful, stress-free yard, make sure to hit that like button right now. Don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs and click the notification bell, so you never miss our weekly tips on making luxury outdoor living easy and accessible. Leave a comment down below letting us know which of these low-maintenance border plants you're going to plant in your yard this weekend. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.